You've been told your weight determines how much you can drink. But that idea is dangerously wrong. Two people, 180 pounds each, have the same drinks. One is tipsy, the other is legally intoxicated. Why? The answer is your body composition. The ratio of muscle to fat matters far more than the number on the scale. It all comes down to one simple, overlooked substance inside your body: water. We'll break down why muscle versus fat changes everything, detail key gender differences, and reveal how this affects even a breathalyzer test. Blood alcohol content, or BAC, is the amount of alcohol in your system divided by your total body water. Think of dye in a glass of water. A small glass will be much darker than a large one, but your body has many different glasses. So, where is all this water hiding? Here's the critical fact. Your muscle tissue is a sponge, made of about 75% water. Your fat tissue is like oil, containing only 10 to 20% water. This means fat repels alcohol. The more body fat a person has, the smaller their container for diluting alcohol becomes. This directly explains why a leaner, muscular person has a built-in advantage. Their higher muscle mass provides a larger volume of water for dilution. This is also why your tolerance is a myth for blood alcohol content. You might feel less drunk, but your actual blood alcohol is governed by physical dilution. Let's return to our 180-pound friends. The one with higher muscle mass has a much larger glass of water to dilute the same amount of alcohol. This principle of body composition is also the primary reason for different alcohol effects between men and women. This is pure biology. On average, women's bodies are 45 to 55% water, while men's are 55 to 65%. This is partly because women naturally have more body fat. But this isn't just about water content. There's another, invisible biological factor giving men a head start. Do you know what it is? Visualize it. A 150-pound man and a 150-pound woman each drink 2 glasses of wine. Her blood alcohol content will rise faster and peak higher. The data doesn't lie. Now, let's take a 60-year-old and a 25-year-old of the same weight. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass and our total body water decreases. The same drink that was manageable at 25 can result in a significantly higher blood alcohol content at 60. Their internal glass of water has gotten smaller. So we have composition, gender, and age. But the body is even more complex. What other hidden variables can alter your blood alcohol content on any given day? For women, even their menstrual cycle can matter. Hormonal changes may alter how quickly alcohol is metabolized, leading to higher blood alcohol contents. And here's a twist. A study found women with more lean mass don't just have a lower blood alcohol content peak, they also eliminate alcohol from their system faster. This suggests muscle is not just a passive dilution tank. It is involved in a more active metabolic process. Lean mass is the deciding factor. Now, remember that invisible factor we mentioned? It's an enzyme called alcohol dehydrogenase, or ADH, your first line of defense in the stomach. On average, women have about 50% less of this stomach enzyme. This means more pure alcohol gets absorbed directly into their bloodstream. Let's connect this to a high-stakes situation, a roadside breathalyzer. This isn't just a fun fact. It has serious legal implications. Most breathalyzers are calibrated for an average male body composition. For women or men with higher body fat, they may overestimate true blood alcohol content. A higher concentration of alcohol in the blood leads to a higher concentration in the breath. Your body could be the difference in a test result. Now for the final, crucial connection. We know composition affects your blood alcohol content, but alcohol itself actively works to worsen your body composition. Alcohol disrupts protein synthesis, which is needed for muscle repair. It also alters hormones, making it harder to maintain lean mass. Your body treats alcohol like a poison and prioritizes metabolizing it. This shuts down your ability to burn fat, making fat storage more likely. So it's a vicious cycle. Drinking can lead to less muscle and more fat, which in turn raises your blood alcohol content the next time you drink. The number on the scale is a poor and potentially dangerous guide to how your body handles alcohol. The real story is told by your body composition. The key factors are your personal ratio of muscle to fat, biological elements like gender and enzymes, and age-related changes. Understanding this science is about making smarter, more informed decisions for your health and safety. It lets you know your body's response. So next time, don't just count your drinks. Consider the complex, invisible chemistry happening inside you. It may change how you think about drinking.